Editor's note: this review may contain spoilers. Planet of the Apes. With a 70-year-old Robin having apparent irritable bowel syndrome, the Titans are left catching their breath in a safe house in Metropolis. John is kindly serving the Titans tea while they recover. While sipping their tea, Starfire, Aqualad, Raven, and Beastboy begin to talk about the newest villains who have just beaten them to a pulp and made them run. As Robin finally finishes in the washroom, the Titans have come to a consensus: they need the little man with the S on his chest. Robin sees this and instead of fighting it he simply says yes, and the Titans head off to fight the forgotten villains of another time created by Kraklow. The introduction of Kraklow as a villain is really fun because of how campy it is. His origin is almost extremely cheap feeling, which makes it play right into the camp. What he does though, or rather, his other reality self does, is to open the Titans to other Earths and possibilities for weird villains. The art in Super Son number 7 is also full of great moments between the teens and John. Visually, this issue has a few shots that really show its power. The first is right on the first page, in the bottom right corner. Starfire and Aqualad are looking tired and beat. The expression on Aqualad's face is perfect. What makes it even better is Starfire's expression. It is so simply drawn but shows her feelings perfectly. This single panel made the issue for this reviewer. The next two panels are similar in nature but take on the life of the issue. The first is on the 9th page. It shows the 16 Titans united and ready to fight their newest villains. The second is on the 12th page as Superboy proves his value to the team and frees them from an attack. While the camp in this issue is wonderful and plays well into how the issue flows, its abrupt ending punishes that flow. The villains are ultimately defeated because Superboy smashed open a door and water got into the room. This external cause for the team's victory over the new villains cheapens their success. It's almost as though the Teen Titans are being shown to be unable to really fight for themselves in this issue. Another issue with this comic is something many will overlook. It is almost forgettable as an issue of Super Sons because it is so predominantly a Titans book. It has the feel and scale of a Titans book with a guest character. There are moments where the focus is shifted to John and his affection for the Titans and joy at their acceptance is showcased, but he comes off as a guest character in a book he should star in. Super Sons number 7 was a fun read and will entertain fans. Upon reflection, however, it is losing itself to the Titans.